We waited out the rain and we made it to Ouimet Canyon Provincial Park, and we are going to go see the amazing lookout here. Oh, look at that! Look at that rock! So we did hike Ouimet Canyon, but we did get rained on, and